want to eat?
Yeah.
Well, me no walk with my belly, you know. I don't want nothing feet. How that?
What happened? What going?
Yeah, boy. I tell you.
Yeah,
Never
you
know
know,
say
they
can't
are
try
out
somebody.
the door at you.
Out of the way, chill. How we are talking?
Yeah, I say with the outside chilling.
Oh, who you talk to? Who you tell say outside a chill? I want man you talk to? Me and you there saying you chat man. I tell you say outside a chill. You outside a chill?
So now outside with they in the house?
No, we not care.
Girl, make a call you back.
What you mean, girl? You
No,
don't care
this
about?
serious.
Allah, yeah.
Max, what were they? We in the house.
No, we not care.
So what you mean by we not outside?
No, me
What
not.
all this? What is that out in the sun? No out the door with they?
Out of the way, we not care. Me not know the lie business, you know. You say if you want to tell your friend like, me not in it, you know. Me is a Christian. You hear me say? Me
So
go
when-
church every Sunday. Don't tell a lie, me not tell lie.
You're a Christian, but
Yes.
you're a fornicate though.
Me a fornicate? Me
Yeah.
have a wife, yes.
So means what?
I'm there with, well, me have a wife, I'm there with you. Right?
Yeah, so what you mean by you don't lie? It's still a
Oi.
sin.
Oi. Paul and Peter used to give woman born, you know. So nothing wrong with that, and God gave them little chance in life.
Stop talk to me,
Eh?
yeah, man.
Oh, you
When
mean
me say
stop
we're
talking?
outside, me mean we're out the door. Not necessarily mean we're out the door, out the door.
Where the pastor go prison for the other day? The fornicate with little picnic. Are you a big woman and a little picnic me a fornicate with? Anybody go so well and boy and see the whole man and one little picnic fornicate? Me a Christian but me not fornicate with a little picnic. You a big woman. You go tell me why say me out here? Me I go ask you. You go tell me why say they are drive me car? You go tell me why say I me pay your rent? You go tell me why say I me buy clothes give you? No.
We're outside.
We not outside. We not care sit down. Don't tell no damn lie. Maybe somebody I call look for you and you tell and say, I'm on the somebody you call and tell about you outside. You not general, you know. You not damn general, you know. You not get being a damn general, you know.
You don't know?
Me don't know. The other day you tell me about you want a hard, you know, want a cock and walking stick.
That must say that I mean.
What you mean? You don't want a cock and
I want
walking
something
stick.
firm. When I do with something soft in me.
So what happened? What happened? What happened to that? You don't love that?
And all the time I go want. And all the time I go want that.
Wait, me walk with my swag cat all the while.
Yeah, alright, you
Right?
know. That's why you're going to get bun. No matter how much you get riches and you this or you that you give me.
I check me, say you give me one. I check me. Eh? I check me.
All of this start from, I say, with the outside.
Well, with
What
the
argument
outside.
for?
On a argument. Well, with the outside. What you mean?
But we don't mean necessarily out the door, we not in the house. So somebody ask me what I do, I say, you know, so we're out the door chilling. What the problem?
Oh, you know what I mean? Say you're outside as outside.
No, Max, I mean, so we're outside chilling, not necessarily out the door where you see the sand and gravel and everything. Just not in the house.
Our new talk.
Yeah. That's
No,
slang, man.
I call my friend now, Brian, because he want, you know, I call him Blur now and tell him, say, what you know now?
But chill out, man, babe.
But me know it's a new thing. You know it's a new thing. I call my virgin and me I catch a new thing, you know.
Calm down, man.
Wait. What be? What me there? Me and my girl I chill outside, you know. We just outside I chill, you know. We are chill outside, but we not one car still, but we are chill outside. Or you mean I mean a car, but me I chill outside. No, at the new talk, man. At the new talk. You chill. You understand? You chill outside. That mean me not in the house. Or you mean me hole? Actually, man, I'm caught farted. Oh, me have a young girl beside you tell me, hole. Kiss me ass, man.